welcome to a new episode of the SMK8 Cooking Show. Today we'll be making a Cupid Crunch trail mix, and the Cupid Crunch trail mix is a very delicious, sweet and salty treat you can make at home with your friends or family. We all love a good trail mix. Hannah, would you like to tell our ingredients to make this good trail mix?
Well, of course, Imani. We have cereals, Rice Chex Mix, and Cheerios. We're also using peanuts, Valentine's, M&M's, and white melted chocolate.
Aubrey, would you like to tell our directions how to make this delicious treats?
I would love to. But first, Cardinals, always remember to wash your hands or use hand sanitizer. And then, first step is get all your cereals in a bag or bowl, whatever you have in hand. Then what you want to do is get wax or parchment paper and then put them on a cookie tray sheet. Next step is to lay out all your Cheerios and trail mix onto a parchment paper, onto the cookie tray mix. Then what you want to do is get the white chocolate, the melted white chocolate, and drizzle it all over the trail mix.
Wow, that looks very delicious. I can't wait to have some. Aubrey, does that look delicious?
Of course it does. It's always good to make an easy snack, which is
It's always to make a good snack with your family and friends at home.
okay. Then when you finish drizzling your white chocolate, you want to wait till it hardens and then break it up and enjoy your easy snack.
This is a tasty snack that you can make with your family and friends and enjoy. Happy Valentine's Day, Cardinals. Bye.